Hey guys, it's Andrea Anderson here from Your Marketing Machines, and I just wanted to put through a very quick message to say thank you so much for your energy, your effort, your time, and thank you for sharing of your businesses today in the workshops. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I really have genuinely appreciated your honesty and transparency. So why am I putting this video through to you? Quite simply is that since you've been to the workshop, there are a few things inside this email, down below. There's a few things down below that I'd like you to take action on now so that we, as part of the ASBAS program, can continue to support you through your business growth and success. Now, just a few of the buttons that we've got down there. Number one, you'll see that there's one there for the presentation. So what I've done is I've taken my PowerPoint and I've put it into a PDF and I've loaded it into the cloud. So click on the button and it'll take you through to the PDF, which you can then also download for yourself. And I do encourage you to go back over the presentation that I delivered to you. Why? Because there's some real valuable information in there that I really want you and I really encourage you to take and to utilize inside your business. Now, there's another button there, which is for you to be able to book a one-on-one session with me. And as we've discussed in the workshop, the great thing about this is that not only do we want to educate you in some of the areas of digital, but we also want you to be able to take advantage of our expertise. So do get in there and book that one-on-one session with me so that we can continue on your business growth and success. So that's there. Now, the other two buttons is if you're really curious about your digital scorecard, your digital presence, then most definitely you should click on the button there. And what will happen is that it will take you through to the Queensland Government website for you to then be able to go and fill in their survey and find out what your digital footprint is like right now. Don't be scared by the figure. It's actually there to give you an indication as to how you're currently positioned right now from a digital perspective. And finally, I'm going to encourage you to look at more workshops for you to take advantage of, and not only the workshops, but also look at the webinars that are coming up. The great thing about webinars is that they don't have to be in your backyard for you to gain the information. And look, the information that we deliver in the webinars are just the same as what you would receive if we were doing a face-to-face workshop. So guys, once again, thank you so much for your energy. Thank you for your honesty and transparency around your businesses. Take action now. This is the absolute opportune time for you to kickstart and to transition into the next stage of business growth and success. So this is Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines. By the way, feel free to follow me on my Facebook page or be a part of my Facebook page, which is Coffee with Andrea. And you'll see me, I'll be holding a tea mug and I'll be going, hey! So do reach out to me through Facebook if that's one of the platforms that you use. If you're on LinkedIn, come and connect with me on LinkedIn. Please take this opportunity to utilize my knowledge and expertise to the benefit of your business. So take care, God bless, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Bye for now.